Good morning, students. Uh, Last we learned about the badminton rules and regulation history and tips to remember. Now today we learn the terminology. First is side alley. Side alley means extension of the court. Means the court have a 44 by the 20 feet size is there, and half 1.5 feet is of the both side used for the double play. Means that 44 by the 17 for the single and 44 by the 20 for the both. These means the side alley of the game. Back alley means which one the service line from there, that is for a back alley. Double hit, if one person twicely hit with the racket that continuously, that is double hit. Footfall during service, both feet should be stationary, otherwise it will be fault. Uh, rally is continuously return to stroke both players, that is a rally. Net touch, a player not supposed to touch any part of the body, means if any part of body shuttle touch, that is a net or during the rally, that is a net touch. To the net with the net, that is a net touch. Scoring of the game is 21 points, best of 3, that is scoring. And services delivered by the shuttle opponent court to the beginning to the rally. Service fault, illegal service will is there waist level above the waist level, that is service fault. Both feet not stationary, that is also service fault. Means both foot will be stationary, should be there when we do service. Delivered from wrong side of court, if that is also service fault. And a wrong player delivered the service, that is also service fault. Game point, last game point, if both player have equal game point, is a game equal score are there, that is a game point there. Game point will be there, and other will be with the service, they will start the last dues clear. Match point will be last point of the deciding game, which match winner will be telling, that is match point. Service code error, if a player delivered the service wrong side code, then that is given to the opponent, that is service code error. Means if one person throw the service wrong side, that is a delivered service code error will be shared. Forehand means the stroke right side of the body, that is forehand. Backhand means left side of the body to the of right hand, that is a backhand. Testing mark means a special mark of sideline double quote in there to flight over the shuttlecock. If shuttle land with this mark correctly, shuttlecock, it must be hit hard from long service line from for singles for opposite side code between the testing mark. It means that if that testing mark should be coming on the double court, when both player are will be playing on there, and it will be coming from the marker, then to the correctly shuttlecock will be there. It hard long service like a line for the single from the opposite side code between the testing mark, that is a testing mark will be there. Let is a redelivery same point incoming. That means that if something landing situation fault is coming, a fault of both side of players simultaneously, that is coming. Receiver not ready, this will come. Shuttle break during rally, when they both player and shuttle will be damaged, it will become that lighting goes during the rally, then interruption of any kind of fail, it will be let, it is giving by the umpire. Waist fold means below the waist level, delivered should be there. Footwork, specialized stepping perform player which covers the whole court, that is called footwork of the player. Long service, variation of service in which high or long delivered in the opponent court, close to end line, it usually performed by the single, that is called long service.